Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make the tiramisu cream using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 large egg yolks, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese. It's crucial that all these ingredients are at room temperature to ensure a smooth, lump-free cream. Also, set up a double boiler now. This will be key for safely cooking the egg mixture. Now, let's get those egg yolks and sugar perfectly combined. Place your heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk continuously until the mixture reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's safe to eat. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once it hits the temperature, remove it from the heat and keep whisking until it's light, fluffy, and completely cooled. With your egg mixture cooled and fluffy, it's time to bring in the star, mascarpone cheese. Gently fold the cooled egg mixture into the softened mascarpone. Be careful not to overmix. We want to keep that airy texture. Mix just until everything is combined and smooth. Once done, cover your delicious cream and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows it to firm up beautifully for your tiramisu. For the absolute best tiramisu cream, always opt for high-quality mascarpone. It truly makes a difference in flavor and texture. Remember, a well-chilled cream is much easier to work with and will hold its shape perfectly in your dessert. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere. Enjoy your homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.